Hello everyone, my name is John. Today I will tell you how to set up uploading orders from Ecwid to the Salesforce CRM system. This is necessary in order to automatically transfer new orders from Ecwid to other systems. For example, in Salesforce you can create new orders, conveniently store, process and interact with them in every possible way in the future. Now let's move on to setting. First you need to create a new connection. Next, you need to select the Ecwid data source system. Next, you need to choose an action. Get orders, new. Then you need to connect your Ecwid account to the ApiX-Drive system. In this window we need to specify the login and password of the Ecwid personal account. When the connected login is displayed in the list, select it. No additional settings are provided for the Ecwid system, so just click Continue. At this stage, you can set up a data filter. In this case, there is no need for this, so we also click Continue. At this point you see one of the Ecwid orders. If everything suits you, click Next. This completes the setup of the Ecwid data source successfully. Now you need to go to the data reception settings. Select Salesforce as the data ingestion system. Next, you need to select an action. Create order. At this point you need to connect your Salesforce CRM account to the ApiX-Drive system. In this window you need to specify the login and password of your Salesforce account. Next, you need to specify the verification code, which should come to your mail. When the connected login is displayed in the list, select it. At this point, you see the Salesforce CRM fields for creating new orders. You can assign variables from Ecwid to these fields. In order to do this, click in the field and select a variable from the drop-down list. Note that you can use not only variables, but also write values manually. To go to the next line, use Enter. When all necessary variables are assigned, click Continue. At this point, you see an example of the data that will be sent to Salesforce as new orders for each new order from Ecwid. If something does not suit you, click Edit and you will go back one step. In order to check the correctness of the settings, click Send Test Data to Salesforce. After successful submission, go to Salesforce and check the result. If everything suits you, we return to the ApiX-Drive system and continue the configuration. This completes the Salesforce data ingestion setup successfully. Now you need to enable auto-update and select the communication interval, for example, once every 5 minutes. That's all. I wish you successful integration settings and good luck.